Hey, it's Kate with WTI. I am always looking for a fantastic bar of chocolate. Chocolate is something I have to have on hand all of the time, and Endangered Species is one of my favorite brands because their chocolate is such good quality, and also some of their proceeds goes towards helping wildlife, which I think is really special. You can enjoy delicious chocolate and also feel really good about this company. This is their almond sea salt dark chocolate. Something else I really love about this is just how simple the ingredients are. It's not overly complicated. They're ingredients that you can read and understand, but it tastes so good. It's really cool too because when you open it, you get a little information on the animal, the wildlife that this particular bar is helping, which I think is really cool. So you see it comes in these little squares that you can break off for just a little snack, a little piece of decadent chocolate. It's so good. It's got that crunch of the almonds. You can see this is what it looks like inside. So you've got those nice pieces of almond, and also if you love the combination of salty and sweet, you're gonna love this because it has really good saltiness from that sea salt. So this is one of my favorite chocolates. I know that it's gonna be amazing quality every time I grab a bar. I love this particular one with the almonds and the sea salt because that chocolate is so smooth, but the crunch and the saltiness is super delicious. Love that it's supporting wildlife and it has simple ingredients. That's just my point of view.